Have you ever imagined this Earth, the planet we were born on, the home of millions of living creatures, was once nothing but a burning ball of lava? So, how did this lifeless world slowly turn into the Earth we live on today? In this video, let's uncover that incredible journey. You and I didn't suddenly appear on Earth. We are the result of a journey that took more than 4 billion years. When Earth was born, it wasn't peaceful or beautiful. It was a burning world. The ground was melted rock. Volcanoes exploded everywhere. Huge space rocks crashed into the surface again and again. Earth was completely hostile. Slowly, Earth began to cool. Steam rose into the sky. Clouds formed. Then rain started falling. Not for days, not for years. It rained for thousands of years. That rain filled the planet and created the first oceans. And inside those oceans, life began. One group learned to use sunlight to make energy. While doing that, they released oxygen. That oxygen slowly filled Earth's atmosphere. This created the air we breathe today. Some creatures became fish. Fish developed spines, stronger muscles, and better senses. Over time, some fish began moving onto land. Their fins slowly became legs. Their lungs replaced gills. These were the first land animals. Reptiles came next, then mammals warm-blooded with bigger brains. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for millions of years. Mammals lived in their shadows, small and hidden. Then a massive asteroid struck Earth. Fire spread across the planet. Dust blocked the sun. Most dinosaurs disappeared, but mammals survived. And suddenly, the world opened for them. Some mammals moved into trees. They developed hands that could grip. These became primates. Around 6 million years ago, some primates began walking on 2 legs. This changed everything. Hands became free for tools. They could travel farther. They were the beginning of us. Over millions of years, brains slowly became bigger. This slow change is evolution. Tiny improvements over time. Early humans learned to control fire. Fire gave warmth, protection, and cooked food. Cooked food gave the brain more energy to grow. This is why human brains expanded so quickly. About 300,000 years ago, modern humans appeared. We had language, creativity, and stories. Humans left Africa and spread across the planet. They adapted to survive in cold lands, deserts, forests, and mountains. Around 12,000 years ago, humans started farming. Villages formed. Civilization was born. Small villages turned into stone cities. Stone cities slowly grew into busy towns, and those towns became great civilizations. Humans built machines, discovered medicine, and created technology. We transformed everything. We traveled across oceans and even reached space. In a tiny moment of history, we changed everything. Our body carries the history of Earth. Our lungs from fish, every hand we use from ancestors who once climbed trees. Our brain grew because of fire. We are walking evolution. From a burning planet to thinking life, Earth didn't just give us a home. Earth created us, and the story is still going.